I'm going to show another example how to work with the Plotagraph app. With Plotagraph one can animate any part of an image, of a JPEG or other image, to let it look like a video. For that we use the Plotaverse group of functions. Inside the Plotaverse you find the Plotagraph app. Start it and see how it looks like. We will start, that is the Plotagraph. We will go to this image, choose that. Try for free is the online or version where you can load gimmicks from the web. I'm just using the pure app with which I animate any kind of image. So first here I started already working on that. I go to select and I will select and delete all of that to do it to start from scratch again. First what we have to do is set the area where we're going to animate, and this is what we do with the anchor. As on the footer and the bottom line we have the functions which we can use, and now we're using our finger to set tiny little red dots. We can change the color of the dots in the settings in order to define the area of animation. We can always use zoom and pinch to enlarge the image like this. We have to be careful on the head. I will show you the next step. So what we don't want to do is we don't want to animate the mouth and the nose of the sheep and the ears. For that we go to the masking tool. It's also in the footer. We put this masking dot smaller. What's highlighted is this little brush on the top. That means we can set a mask. But we could also delete this on the bottom. That's what I show here. I worked on it before. I'm deleting that. Go there again. Go to the brush. Like that size. That's good. That's okay. I'm using a small finger. Set that. Be careful on the head. When you mask too much fur, it will not be animated. Here it's not good. I go back there again. Go to delete. Delete it. Go there again. Go to the brush. Make it a bit smaller, yeah. And try not to touch the fur. Like that. Okay. Will not be animated. Also the ears. Go there again. It's a bit smaller. To put two dots on over the ears. That's it. Next step is animation. This is the further left button on the footer. And then we set little arrows which have a direction where we point with our finger. And we put the arrows. Use zoom and pinch to be more precise. Go around. I would like to go up and work like this in a circle. Let's see how that works while pushing the button, the run button in the footer in the center. Already looks quite nice. I don't like it how it looks like on the head. I need a few more of these arrows. Make it larger, like that, yeah. Maybe another one here on the ear. Why not? Here too. Here, here. Longer arrows mean faster animation, but you can also later on set the overall animation speed. To me that looks pretty well. It's just meant to show you how to work with it. Not to be too perfect. Stop it. The speed setting is always also, cannot find it, maybe in the edit. No, it's not in the edits. Maybe they change it in the new version. Okay. So then go to the animate, to the export button, which is the share button on the top right. Usually I'm using Instagram for sharing. You get a 6-second loop. That means it's a short video of 6 seconds. It will be repeated over and over on the Instagram. Save it to the camera roll. Wait until it is saved. Do not push any button before, otherwise you lose the saving. And it will indicate it's saved. Well, okay, that's it. It's saved. And next step is you can go to the camera roll and upload it to your, or send it via mail to your friends. Thank you very much. My name is Michael Jung.